Hello, the gorgeous ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so. You all are fine, good, and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So, dear ladies, today I am back again with another amazing and beautiful collection. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you some awesome collection of summer wear short crop top style design ideas for ladies and girls. So, in this video, you will be find out most amazing and beautiful collection of crochet made crop top styles designs, sleeveless styles and with sleeve designs. So if you love to wear crochet styles, if you love to wear crochet crop top designs, so this video is going to be absolutely very helpful for you. You will get new ideas and new designs of short top designs, crop top styles with crochet made. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of crochet made crop top designs, so dear ladies, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any correction, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made styles, crop top designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section, dear ladies. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so. Those videos will also be useful and helpful for you and you can get new ideas and new designs of dresses and top designs, short top designs, crop styles from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so you will be find out most amazing collection on my channel. So must visit on my channel. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel and dear ladies, I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.